Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID credentials and that you control a trusted 2FA device. This prevents account lockouts later. Once done, verify your device OS meets the minimum. Older builds often break Find My sign-in. Next, make sure your network is stable. Flaky Wi-Fi or a captive portal can block authentication. If needed, switch to cellular briefly. These steps set the stage, so sign-in attempts hit Apple servers cleanly and reduce false errors. You now focus on the account and device state. Sign out of iCloud completely, then restart the device. This clears cached tokens that often block Find My. When you sign back in, watch for 2FA prompts and approve them from a trusted device. If sign-in still stalls, reset network settings. This fixes DNS or proxy issues, but remember it removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Also, set date and time to automatic. Secure authentication uses time-based tokens, so mismatch will fail sign-in. Finish by updating your device to the latest OS. Updates often contain bug fixes for Find My authentication. If your device is managed by an organization, remove and reinstall any configuration profiles that touch iCloud, then retry sign-in. Before calling support, check Apple system status for downtime. Sometimes the issue is server-side. If nothing works, contact Apple support with your device serial and Apple ID ready. They can lift account flags or re-provision.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.